Hi everyone.
Hello guys. For today's trading cards, I bought something that's a little old. I picked this blister pack of Pokemon cards up at Walmart for $15, and inside you get 3 various Pokemon Black and White booster packs, 1 Ninetails promo foil, and 1 Genesect coin. I believe these Black and White packs released about around in 2013 or so they're about 3 years old. So let's take a look at the back of these packs, and then we'll know for sure. Booster pack number 1, booster pack number 2, booster pack number 3. There's the Ninetails promo. And, of course, the Genesect coin. Even though I already have Genesect for a coin, this one is of a purple foil instead of a chrome, so I do consider it a bit different, which is good. Okay, Ninetails promo foil. This is black and white number 66 for the promo card. 90 HP, bright look for ability, and hexed flame. As you can see right here, Ninetails, well, the Ninetails that it has is all colored in orange flames. It's like ready to attack or something. It looks like octopus tentacles. That's pretty creepy. Anyways, I'll put that in my book. Put that right up here. Now let's take a look at the boosters. The first one I'm going to open up is Black and White Plasma Storm. This was released in, should be right here on the flat, 2012. This is a 4-year-old booster. The second one I'll open is Plasma Freeze. And this one was released in 2013. And Black and White Next Destinies. This was released in, also in 2012. So since this one was released newest, I'll actually change my mind and go with this one first, then this one second, and this one last. So, first one's going to be Plasma Freeze, and not Plasma Storm. I'm not really used to these cards. I don't think I bought any back in the past. So let's have a go at these. Ooh, and you do get a code card. That's all yours. Maybe this code card might be worth a little more than the XY ones that we get now. That's just my guess, though. I think that's how it works. It might be a little different. There's a Trico, Grimer, Yamask, Temple, Beldum. Ooh, this one's blue, but I think it's one of those Team Plasma cards. Team Plasma Ball, just an uncommon though. Miltank, Lantern. Reverse foil is Voltorb, just a common. And of course the rare. Ooh, it's also blue. Just another Team Plasma card though. Vanillix. Okay. Chill Max and Cold Breath for attacks. Alright. Speaking of Plasma Storm, it's gonna be Chilly Willy. That booster pack opened up pretty good. Here's your code. There we go. Do. Now, Frillish. Zubat. A psychic type Zubat? Maybe it's poison type? I don't know. Carvana. Patrat. Trubbish. Get a little closer. Durant. Coffin is a uncommon? Really? Anyways, Magneton. Reverse foil. A Behemoth, and he is just... Ooh, he's a rare. Okay. A rare reverse foil. That's pretty good. Also, I like how the Team Plasma foil is now purple instead of blue, compared to the Vanillux one. Like that. But maybe it has something to do with the psychic type. That could be it too. Okay, so for the packed rare card, it's another blue card. Sharpedo rare. Hard bite for a move. Okay, so that's a pretty good card to get. Alright, last booster. Next Destinies. There you go. Let's see if we get any good pulls in this one. Okay, and here we go. Pidove. Fungus. Bronzor. Growlithe. Cubchoo. Pokemon Center. Luxio. Hippowdon. Reverse foil is Heavy Ball. Just an uncommon, though. Alright, for the rare card, I get a... Ooh! Lucario foil. Reflexive Retaliation for an ability, and Aura Spear for a move. 100 HP. Does 20 damage to one of your opponent's benched Pokemon. Don't apply weakness and resistance to it. Alright, nice. I like the position of Lucario, too. I think he's like on a skyscraper or something, ready to unleash one of his aura attacks. The thing is, I'm not a big fan of Lucario in Super Smash Bros. I like Mewtwo better. So I got mostly Team Plasma Pokemon, but nonetheless, they're not bad. I like these two the best, apparently. And of course, don't forget the Ninetails promo as well. Alright. There you go. That is the old 3-pack Pokemon Blister containing black and white booster packs. And that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Take care.